Marcus, do you see that? If that's a meteor, it's very sparkly.
Try to fly.
Those are not meteors. They're organized. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Meteors don't shout. No, they absolutely do not. The flux around. Cool. I like when they come out at sunset. Hi-ya! Perimeter secured. Zoom! All clear! All clear! Woo! Woo! Sneak! Kindly refrain from concussing yourselves on premium produce. I'm okay. Density test successful. Yay! Impact velocity excessive. Peach density admirable. Told you not to sprint near fruit. That was one pitiful entrance. At ease, Flux. Guess he couldn't handle the peach of action. Look within, and balance is restored. You two are good-intentioned fallopians. I can tell these things. Almost. Navigation calibrated! I believe the atmosphere is about to become inconvenient. Yes, I sense dramatic footwear approaching. Villain exhaust. Very low grade. Villain exhaust. Retreat. Retreat. I refuse to let buffoonery bruise this peach. We require information. Where is the genie's bottle? Probably bottled up somewhere. That is not helpful. Neither is decaf. That's a good one. Wah, wah, wah. Whoa, whoa. That way, that way, that way. That way. Culpus spins violently. Oh, I'm scared. Huh? Whoa! It pointed behind me, huh? Give us coordinates. That's right. Now, I would, but I lost my sense of direction. It went north for the winter. It went north. Tri-Loop Nebula, near the screaming comet that honks. password at checkpoint. Hiya, booger! Clarify that route. Hiya, bunga! 1, 4, wee, ee. Okay. Secondary route through the wormhole of mild disappointment. Oopsie. 17-minute launch window. It's pointing at Nadia's ship. I don't understand. 17, 4, banana, go. Ooh. Well, I don't know. That sounds fake. Super real. I ran there yesterday. Very scenic. Very bodily. High bottle density region. 5 stars. Would kidnap again. I'm not done. Coordinates. Whoa. That way. Whoa. That way. Perfect! To the ship! Oh yeah! This whole planet is ball Twinkies and fiddle bottle. Shut your pie hole. Get on the ship. Good day. Kindly continue failing elsewhere. What is that? Madame, that is produce. It's glowing. It is flavorful. It enhances desserts. If it glows, it goes. That peach is for pastry applications only. Is the fruit compromised? The fruit appears. Villain adjacent. What does it do? It super flavors desserts. That's it? That's it. We're taking it anyway. This turns out to be useless. I am blaming you. What? For what? You grabbed it. It was glowing suspiciously. Doggone it! That was for custard! Conclusion. The peach has been abducted. Statistical outcome. They will discover it does nothing. Why is this cockpit sticky and why is there glitter in the oxygen vents? Because you insisted on installing a dramatic entrance confetti cannon. It was atmospheric. So is basic hygiene. Fly the ship. They will not enjoy the singing asteroid. It does not sing. It screams! Perfect accuracy. That is not north. It never is. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. My, oh my, zippity-doo-dah. In the moment. I know the bottle is close. I can feel its magic humming. It is, but it's gone. Gone? Sugar, you just look there. I swear it was here a second ago. Huh? That's suspiciously empty. By the glitter that all glows, it's vanished. The peach has been abducted. Statistical outcome. They will discover it does nothing. Maybe it's hiding. Or maybe it's playing galactic hide and seek. I cannot lose it. Well, we'll find it. Somewhere. Somehow. But right now, it's just being a little mischievous. Whoosh. Whoa! Honey, these stalls are like a Looney rainbow threw up and caught it retail. Shucks, you're not wrong. Look at that. Huh? Wait, hair salon. Oh, honey, hair magic. I gotta go. Oh, here we go. I need something matchy. Blue and gold, sequins, jewels, the works. Hey! Jeez Louise, I love it! Look at you! That's a whole lot of yes from me, darling. Now, you're coordinated from hat to heels and hair. All right, back to business. The bottle is out there somewhere.
Try to fly.
Wow, they're so cute. Look at them, little fluxy. Sugar, looks like our market just turned flux party. Shucks. Okay, focus. Bottle first, sparkle second. Why did the speedster Flux run into the peach? Because even he couldn't outrun a bad decision. Zippy! By the glitter of all that glows, it's just out of reach. My magic bottle. La 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 la. Whoa. Sugar, maybe it's playing hard to get. Or maybe it's already found a better ride. Better ride? Oh, that's impossible. Here, come on, little bottle. Honey, if it's gonna come out, it'll have to come out and razzle-dazzle me.
Try to fly.
Why did the bottle refuse to leave the twins? Because it finally found someone with lower standards than us. Oh, look, they look so cute. They look so cute. Yeah. Hey, I have standards. I just don't slow down long enough to check them. My compass says this way, which means it's definitely the wrong way. Yeah, that way. Maybe, I don't know. Could be. Stay sharp. We're creating confusion, not hosting a circus. Oh, la la. Speak for yourself. I've been emotionally juggling all day. Maybe we let them succeed. Absolutely not. I'm just starting to enjoy this. Sugar? If it's here, it's hiding like a glitter ninja. Oh, shucks, Glitzabel. Planet Flute gift shop? What? Oh boy. Baby, I think the universe just wants you to dance with the chaos. Then I'll dance, but I will find it.